In this video, we will show you 3 proven ways to conduct Mi Backup and Restore. KuMaster Android Backup Manager is a professional Mi Backup and Restore software, which can backup and restore overall Android data on computer with one click and without a Mi Backup account, including contacts, messages, call logs, photos, music, videos, documents, and apps. Let's see how to realize Mi Backup in one click using it. 1. Install and launch KuMaster Android Backup Manager on your computer, and enter in Android Backup Restore e-module from the toolbox. 2. Connect Xiaomi device to computer via USB cable, then enable USB debugging and grant permission on your Xiaomi device as prompted. Click Backup option from the main interface. 3. Check wanted data from the table. Find a location on your computer to store data and click Backup below to perform Xiaomi backup to PC. After you have finished Mi Data Backup, let's see how to restore Xiaomi backup from PC to device. 1. Use the same way to connect another device to PC via USB cable and enable USB debugging and grant permission on your device. After successful connection, select Restore button in the main interface of this program. 2. Tick the target device you will restore to. Check the files you want to restore from PC at the right side, and hit Restore button below to restore chosen Mi Backup files from PC to your phone. Many Xiaomi devices have local backup feature, thus, you can perform Mi Backup and restore using this convenient way. 1. On your Xiaomi device, go to Settings. 2. Click Additional Settings Backup Reset Local Backups. Tap Backup to do Mi Data Backup. After you finish Mi Backup, you can restore Mi Data Backup anytime. 1. On your phone, go to Settings Additional Settings Backup Reset. 2. Press Local Backups. Select backup files you want to restore. Tap Restore to restore Mi Data Backup. Mi Cloud is a built-in cloud service on most Xiaomi devices, which also ensures you to do Mi Backup and Restore. 1. On your Xiaomi device, go to Settings Accounts Mi Account and sign in with Mi Backup account. 2. Press Backup Device. Turn on Mi Cloud Backup to let it automatically conduct Mi Backup. After Mi Cloud Backup, you can restore Mi Cloud Backup anytime you want. 1. On your Xiaomi device, go to Settings Mi Account and log into it with the same account. 2. Select Mi Cloud Restore from Backup. Choose the backup file you want to restore. 3. Click Restore using this backup to restore Mi Cloud Backup to new device.